Then next comes pneumonia. This is also the often the word we are hearing in this pandemic. This is pneumonia. Pneumonia is the disease of the lungs. The lungs are suffering from pneumonia. It is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae, and it can be caused because of contaminated air, direct contact with a pneumonic person. What are the symptoms? High fever, difficulty in breathing, and chest pain. Then the preventions can be frequent washing of hands. Vaccination is there for this pneumonia also. We can avoid the contact with person having cold or some flu-like symptoms. The next is diphtheria. Diphtheria is caused by Corynebacterium diphtheriae. The mode is through contaminated air by sneezing and coughing, and it affects the mucosa of nose, throat and tonsils. See, this is basically the respiratory tract which is affected by diphtheria, and in that the mucosa is a layer of cells which is present in these parts. Then for diphtheria we have a vaccination, DPT vaccination. We can stay away from the infected person, and we can take plenty of liquid at the time of infection so that the infected layer becomes washed off with these bacteria. Then whooping cough or pertussis. This is the major one which affects mainly the children. It is caused by Bordella pertussis, and it is caused by direct contact with fluids which come from nose and mouth of infected person. Some fluids which come from the infected person, they will affect us, they will cause us this. Then the symptoms also include coughing and sneezing. So what are the symptoms? These if we are being affected or we are coming in direct contact with the person who is coughing, sneezing, and if we are coming in contact with the fluids of those persons, then we may suffer from this whooping cough. And what are the symptoms? It includes cough. There is a particular sound in that coughing movement, and there is cold with running nose. Running nose means continuously the nose is having watery secretions coming out. Then the vaccination is DPT vaccination, and what we can help or do to prevent this is we can cover our mouth while coughing and sneezing.